Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video. I'll be showing you how to make handmade stickers that don't require a tablet, an editing software, or a sticker cutter. The only supplies that you'll need are some paper. Today I am using the HP Bright White 24-pound paper, some packing tape, some parchment paper, a pair of scissors, and whatever materials you'd like to draw your stickers with. Today I'll be using my Crayola Super Tips, just an assortment here. I'll also be using a variety of my Sakura Pigma Micron pens for outlining, as well as my white Uniball Signo gel pen for some highlights. Now that you've gathered all of your supplies, let's go ahead and get to drawing. For today's stickers, I will be doing a fruit theme. You can go ahead and doodle any drawings that you like, any sort of theme that you would like. If you are more comfortable sketching out with pencil first, then go ahead and do so. However, today I'm just going to go straight in with the markers. I'm just taking my Sakura Pigma Micron in the 0.8 size and just adding a thick outline to each of the fruits. So if you want, you can go ahead and just leave it like this. It's really cute as is, but I'm just going in with a thinner Sakura Pigment Micron to add just a little bit more details, and then I'll go in with some highlights with the white Uniball Signo gel pen. So just taking my Sakura Pigment Micron in the 01 size, I'm just stippling some dots on some of the fruits just to add a little bit of texture and dimension to them. Alright, now that these are done, I'm just going to cut them out with my scissors. Now that they're all individually cut up, I'm just going to go back in and refine the shape. So I'm purposely leaving a little bit of white space in between the design when I'm cutting it. I typically prefer the look of this for my stickers, but if you wanted to go ahead and just cut right along the line so that there's no white space, then by all means do that as well. Now that all of these have been cut out, time to go ahead and add the adhesive. Go ahead and tear some parchment paper off. Now that you have some parchment paper, go ahead and take your packing tape and then lay down a strip of the tape onto the parchment paper. Now you want to go ahead and place your stickers right on top of the strip of tape. So the next step would be to add another strip of tape right on top of it. And when placing the stickers like this, you want to make sure that you go ahead and leave a good amount of space in between each sticker. So I'll go ahead and just add another layer of tape to try and add the rest of these stickers on as well. Alright, now you should have something like this. So what you want to do now is go ahead and cut the stickers out one more time. Here are the finished stickers. As you can see, I left quite a bit of room around the edge of the stickers, and that'll just help it adhere to the paper or whatever surface you put them on better. Let's go ahead and try some of these out. So I'm just going to be trying these in my B5 Notebook Therapy journal. So you just want to peel off the backing like this, or the parchment paper. There's a cute little blueberry there for you. So there is a close-up of those. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful, and let me know if you end up making stickers with this technique or if you've made stickers like this before. I would love to know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!